counties in North Carolina: ALAMANCE, CHATHAM, DURHAM, Franklin, GRANVILLE, HARNETT, JOHNSTON, Lee, Moore, Orange, Person, Randolph, Vance, Wake, and Warren. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area.